iHerb affiliate program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the affiliate program of iHerb. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to join to the affiliate program, you can simply click the link in the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. But before that, if you don't know what is iHerb, it is a prominent online retailer specializing in health and wellness products, in which the company has established itself as a leading platform for vitamins, minerals, and supplements, and various health-related items, boasting a catalog of over 50,000 products from more than 1,800 reputable brands. However, in this video, we're not here to purchase or buy any kind of product from iHerb, but rather promote them using or by joining to their affiliate program. And in order to go or join to their affiliate program, all you need to do is to simply scroll down and simply go to this footer section below, and from here it will show you a variety of options, but just click this affiliate program option. By simply clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, and from here it will show you that you can become an iHerb affiliate and earn up to 20% when you share. And below it will show you some of their partner, including Partnerize, Impact, CJ, and Nawin that you can use to join to their affiliate program or apply with it. And below it will show you some of the benefits of why joining to the affiliate program of iHerb, in which they offer a competitive commission rates, and you can earn a base 5% commission of all sales you refer and up to 20% for premium content sites. And also it offers a wide variety of products that they can also promote or advertise, and even they are top global retailer that also offer a tools for success. And below it will show you some of their affiliate networks that will help you to target the specific regions. And now from here, if you click some of this question, it will show you the corresponding answer to it, such as this question: what are the requirements to join? And it will show you that iHerb partners with publishers such as coupon sites, loyalty sites, content site, shopping comparison sites, and etc. And a digital presence that can use link tracking is required. And how do I earn commission? From here it will show you will earn a commission if your affiliate link was last clicked before the customer makes a purchase. And a commission is earned on any product purchase regardless of what you link to. And below it will show you some other concern, including can I promote any product on the site? And it says yes. And also the cookie duration in here. When do I get paid? Can I participate in both affiliate and rewards program, and many more. So basically from here you can simply navigate to click the question with the corresponding answers to it. But now to start applying or joining to the affiliate program, we're going to use some of their partners in here, including Partnerize. So all you need to do is to simply go to this platform called partnerize.com, in which it is the leading provider of partnership automation solutions, specializing in affiliate marketing and performance marketing. And this company has developed a comprehensive platform that enables brands to discover, recruit, manage, and optimize their partnership effectively. The Partnerize platform is unique in offering an all-in-one solution that includes capabilities for payment processing, brand safety, fraud prevention, and real-time analytics, making it a valuable tool for marketers looking to enhance their partnership strategies. And now to join, you can simply click the login button on the top right corner in here, in which by simply clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page, where you can sign up using your email address and also username, password, and you also need to enter here your company name, your address, and any other personalized information, and those including your zip code, country, your website URL, phone number. And from here under vertical, you also need to choose your reason or option in here, such as accessories, business, education, or the categories that you have social media presence into. Now below, you could also navigate to choose some other kind of partner type, but after that, just proceed by clicking or checking this reCAPTCHA and sign up to this page. After signing in, just simply log into this page, in which after you log in, you also need to verify your email address to the verification code that has been sent to your email inboxes. So just simply go to your email inboxes, into your message, and click the link in here. After clicking the link and signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Partnerize. And below you can track here your performance, conversions, the amount of order value, your payments available to withdraw, and many more. But now to start joining, just simply click the campaigns option on the top panel, and from here it will show you that you can simply navigate the list of your campaigns and commission. But just click this join campaigns section in here, and on the left side panel, connect search on this search bar, the iHerb And after entering the iHerb, just click the enter button and it will show you the result in here. So you can simply click on it, in which by simply clicking on it, you'll be able to see here the overview of its affiliate program, including their contact email, their address, their vertical or their categories, promotional countries, program descriptions, while on the right side panel it will show us the campaigns itself, in which to start navigating or joining to the affiliate program, can simply check these boxes that says select all in here, and also check these boxes that says iHerb. And also below, just simply check these boxes indicate that you agree to the terms and conditions. But make sure to also view these terms and conditions and kindly read it carefully before joining to their affiliate program, in which from here it will show you a variety of policies that are needed to be done or needed to follow, while some of these are the restrictions or the prohibited. Now if you're not done, just simply click this join selected campaigns button below to proceed. You could also click these promotional countries to see if your country you're in are accepting this kind of affiliate, or if the countries you're in is part of their promotional countries in here. And if you're not done, just click this button in here, and upon clicking on it, you'll be able to see here that you've now successfully joined to the affiliate program by simply sending your application in here. That is why if you click the join campaigns right here, it will show you that one is pending request, which is the application that we just sent. And all of the information that we use in creating our account in Partnerize will reflect to your application. And once you are eligible to be part of iHerb affiliate program, you'll be able to need a tracker links and start promoting some of their products. So just click this tracking option on the top panel, and from here you can manually create a tracker link in here. But since there is no campaign that match our search currently, we will not be able to do that. But basically, this tracking link will help us in earning a commission, and by sending a specific kind of tracker link to our customers, and once they try to click it and purchase the product using our tracker link, you'll earn a commission from it. And aside from tracker link, you could also create another kind of content that will help you in your affiliate journey. Now under this content section, it will show you some of the overview and tools that you can use. You have here image, text, email, and different kind of campaign listed in here. And aside from that, you could also use the social media platforms such as your Facebook, Twitter, in promoting some of the products of iHerb once you be part of their affiliate program. Now under this analytics from here, you could also track the number of clicks to the specific tracking links, and even the number of conversions in here, the total order value, your commission rate, and also the average order value in here. And you could also create a custom report, save reports, or even share reports in here. Now in terms of payments option, by clicking on it, from here you can track your pending commission, the approve, confirm, and available to withdraw commission in here. And below, you'll be able to track here the history of your commission. So basically, the iHerb affiliate program allows participants to tap into a broad market, making it an appealing choice for those looking to monetize their online presence through health and wellness products. So overall, that is just basically how you can join the affiliate program of iHerb. Thank you.